Hello everyone and welcome to another tutorial of mastering Arduino from beginner to core advanced. In this tutorial we are going to talk about LCD, or you can say liquid crystal display. Well, LCD is an important component in Arduino because it is the main thing that can give the display of the program, or you can say the variable that is inside the Arduino standalone, so it does not require a computer. Such as in serial monitor, whenever we want to give a display we need a computer, while using this LCD here you can get all the displays on the LCD, so that we can make Arduino and complete the system in a box and can place it anywhere without the help of a computer, and we can see the variables inside it. It can use to measure temperature, moisture, and you can give your own custom prints on the LCD. Okay, now let's just see the block diagram of the LCD. Well, here is the schematic of the LCD. Remember important things: these pins are for the light, these pins are for the power, and here this important pin is for analog display. If you rotate the dial, it will give a value that will make the LCD go dark or dim. Okay, I will show you. Just a second, hold here. You can see that with the help of rotating the dial, the potentiometer, you can see that the display of the LCD changes, and which gives us a dark or a light view. Okay, here the schematic. These are the four basic wires which are used to here are the four basic wires that are used to convert all the embedded program written in the Arduino to the display function of the LCD. Okay, now let's just begin to write a simple example. First of all, remember one thing, that in Arduino there is also a built-in library for LCD, and there is a simple program of LCD also written in the Arduino. We are going to see here the program. First of all, we need to call the liquid crystal library, so we are going to call it with the word liquid crystal.h, giving the close bracket. Now we need to declare liquid crystal an element. We are declaring liquid crystal element LCD, and we are giving the pin numbers as pin number 12, which is an enable pin, pin number 11 which is for the display, and pin number 2, 3, 4, 5 for the variables that are going to print on the screen. In void setup we are going to call serial LCD.begin. In void setup we are going to call the function LCD.begin, which is setting the pin to 16:2. It means that 16 columns and 2 rows are activated in the LCD. And in the next line we are going to print hello world. This is the word that we can directly print on the LCD just by calling the word into the brackets. In void loop we are going to set cursor to pin number 0 and 1, that is giving the lower column. Here you can see this lower column, first section will be getting the variable point, and here we are going to write a variable, changing variable, that is millisecond, and we are going to print it. Okay, let's just upload it to the board. It's uploading. Wait for a second, and just wait for a second, and here you can see that hello world is written on the screen, and it is counting the time. Let me make a clear display for you. Hello world, and it is counting the time in milliseconds. By this method we can connect the LCD to the Arduino and get our own desired display. Okay, if you have any questions. Okay, but what about writing something else? Okay, we are going to write something else as come down here, and LCD.come in LCD.print, write say something HIE. We are going to write the value in second line and in the first word. Okay, first section. We have uploaded it successfully on the board. Now let's just see here. We can see the high is written here. But what about okay, this was the feature of the program here, but what if you want to write something else in another line? Give the value 4 and now write something as, again let's just try with HIE, high, and please clear the space. Okay, we are going to print it in another lines. Wait for a second, it's coming, and we are going to reset the Arduino. It will take a second, and see here, we are calling, my mistake, I have written it in fourth row, and we are going to write it in first row and in fourth column. Okay, we are going to update the program and wait for a second. Now you can see that the word high has been moved 4 columns to the left. Okay, by this method we can write the words on LCD, we can print the variables, and we can get a real-time data on Arduino standalone without using a computer. This is known as LCD, and this is the LCD module I am using here. It is manufactured by Hitachi, and it is a very stable LCD. And there are also different type of LCD that comes in 16x4. They have some different pin diagram, but basically their working is same, and they require their own custom made library for running. Well, this was the LCD module. If you have any question, please ask me, or else thanks for watching.